Now, 2 months after the eggs were laid, the youngsters are calling from inside, telling mom they're ready to hatch. They break through the leathery shell using a tiny egg tooth on the tip of their snout. The emergence of the first encourages the rest to get going. All 50 eggs can hatch within a day or two. At just 7 inches long, they're going to need protection. Luckily for them, alligator babies have bodyguards. Their mothers are the most caring in the reptile world. She'll guard them for months, possibly up to a year. Great parenting is one of the reasons gators can thrive in this waterland, a place they've called home since the time of the dinosaurs. On late summer mornings, hatchlings still use dragonflies for target practice, with mixed success. And they still kick back when the day gets too hot to do too much of anything at all. These days, there are millions of gators across the southern U.S. But last century, they were hunted to near extinction. So it's down to us humans to make sure that this will be a scene that continues to play out into the future. A place for heroes of both water and land, where nothing is quite what you expect.